wall rail G from left to right on top of the horizontal line. To screw the wall rail onto the wall, use pan head screw E, which look like this, on stud reference marks. Mark the screw locations and then drill pilot holes using an 1/8 inch drill bit. If any of the panels are not within a 3-inch stud, drywall anchor C is needed. Look like this. Mount wall rail H from left to right. Again, use the panhead screws and drywall anchor if necessary. When installing, remember that the flat part of the bar has to be against the wall, the gap facing up. The wall panels will hang off these later. Pre-drilling the holes will make it easier for you during installation. Remember, these rails must be screwed into the studs behind the wall. This is very important. Next, you'll cover the wall rail with wall rail covering strip I. There's 2 gaps, the smaller gap and the larger gap. The smaller gap goes towards the top, fits over, and clicks into place. You will have a small space showing, which is necessary for later steps. Next, you will measure and cut the last strip, which will fit on the end of your rail. Again, placing it over the top, it will click into space.